Welcome to in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, you should hold for a while the power key button on the right side of the device for a few seconds, and now you can see by press and hold our power button, I just activate the USB here. But if you don't wanna if you want to use your power key button just to turn off the device, we should go into the settings application and here scroll down to the advanced features. Now just tap here to the side key and change press and hold to wake USB just to activate the power off menu. And now when we'll just press and hold our power key button, we'll activate the power off menu. And now just to turn off the device, click here to power off icon and confirm your action by click here on the power off icon again. And as can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.